It's first principle derivative, so we know that f prime of x is equals to. We know that where there's x, we need to substitute what? X plus h. I'm always forgetting our limits when h approaches 0. And all divided by where there's x, as we say, we substitute x plus h minus 5. And we must subtract by 2 minus x over 4x minus 5. Everything must be divided by h. It must be divided by h. Now we need to simplify our f prime of x, which is equals to when limit approaches x approaches 0 to 6. We can simplify the numerator in the meantime. But we know that we have to add fractions in the numerator. So we know you can do the multiplying of the denominator, still gives you the answer. In the meantime, I want to simplify this and have something like 4x plus 4h minus 5. It's multiplied by that, which is 4x minus 5. So you're supposed to have that as your LCM. So this, still this. So these factors have to appear once in the denominator. Now you can do your cross multiplication. While you have this, you can say this multiplies the other numerator, where you'll have 4x minus 5 in bracket. While we are simplifying, that will have 2 minus x minus 8. Therefore, multiplying the other side, multiplying on the other side, this will multiply that. So don't forget, it's a negative fraction. The negative affects the whole fraction. So the negative must multiply that numerator 1 of 2 minus x. It is multiplied by that denominator. Okay, space 4x plus 4h minus 5. We have to make some magic. Okay, so we said it's minus 5, close short. So please allow me to put the division of h in that side. So it's still dividing the whole fraction. So avoiding the double fraction division, we need to multiply it out now. We'll have a lot of terms. But there's other ways to have a shortcut. But I think if you work out by multiplying the numerator, you'll manage to eliminate the terms. So in the meantime, we know that 4x multiplies 2, it will be 8x, 4x times negative x, negative 4x squared. And we're going to 4x times negative h, negative 4xh. Then minus 5 will multiply 2, which is negative 10. Negative 5 times the negative x, positive 5x. So minus 5x by negative h, positive 5h. Now move on to, let's say, yeah, this was the second term. So, but let's deal even with the negative. So the negative multiplies everything there. So if it multiplies this factor here, then it will be negative positive x. So you must see it in this way. It's my blue color. Let me put that. So you must see it in this way, that we are multiplying this, it will be negative 2. This will be positive x. So negative 2 positive x. So you multiply with it in that way. So we'll have negative 2 times 4x, will be negative 8x. And you'll have negative 2 times 4h, negative 8h. Will it fit here? Let me put it there. And negative 2 times negative 5, positive 10. Now we're moving to negative x. So we'll have negative x by, why I'm saying negative, positive x now to multiply. So positive x times that, it will be 4x squared. So and then positive x multiplies 4xh, it will be 4xh. So positive x, then by negative 5x. Let's hope we didn't leave some of the factors. All divided by. It's a long division. In the meantime, change the division to multiplication. We'll have 1 over h. Then the denominator, let's leave it as it is, 4x plus 4h minus 5. Then in bracket 4x minus 5. So we need to eliminate some terms. We need to do eliminations of terms. So I hope you saw that 8x subtracted by 8x and minus 4x squared plus 4x squared minus 4xh minus 4x plus 4xh. And then the 10 plus 10. 5x minus 5x. So which one did we leave out now? So we're left with 5h minus 8h. So it's equals to limit when h approaches 0. We have 5h minus 8h. What do we get? Negative 3h. So we have negative 3h, then all divided by this. That's 4x minus 5. Okay, we still have our by 1h. So still all divided by h. So in the meantime, you can substitute the value of h. You can substitute the value of h. So, but in the meantime, while I'm saying substitute, I mean that we divide h by h, and then the remaining factors we are left with negative 3 all over. So let's substitute in the meantime value of h while we have divided. So it's 4 into 0, and then minus 5, 4x minus 5. Okay, let's do this. The answer, we can write it here. So the answer will be equals to negative 3 all divided by, it's 4x minus 5 all squared. If you want to multiply out, you can multiply out. So because 0, this 4 times 0 is 0, you left to 4x minus 5. So suppose you have something like this.